So this is the grilled prawns, right? Okay, please tell us what to eat.
Yes, so Chef Goku and I have put together this menu for the fourth year anniversary of Veneto, which is happening this weekend.
Right.
And I would highly recommend a supli, which is a typical Roman street food, and it's a really nice rice croquette with a mozzarella filling, perfect for a starter. Otherwise, something a bit more different I would suggest is the cured crudo. This is
Right.
cured tuna with the lemon and the caper
That
grapefruit
sounds
dressing.
good, actually.
And eventually, for fresh pasta, it's either the cappelletti or the tortellini, or otherwise either one of the lamb or the mushroom ragu with the
Right.
tagliatelle made in house.
Okay.
And finally, if you like a pizza, I would suggest any of them. The dough is done really well. Here it goes off also personal preference.
Right.
So
And
either
these are the grills.
and these are the main courses. So we have grilled prawn, roasted chicken, roasted salmon, and here we have a Calcutta style, Sicilian style fusion with betki, which is herb crusted and served with a cassonli sauce.
Andrew,
Yes.
thank you for thinking about me for this beautiful Italian lunch. Tell me more about it.
I mean, I think Veneto is celebrating its fourth anniversary this weekend. So, an institution now, perhaps you can say, of South City Mall. And they had a big event last night, I believe. But as usual, I also had a big event last night. But they were so keen that I'd come by. So I said, okay, I'll come by, but let me find a foodie friend to come with,
Yes.
because I don't like eating on my own. I like talking about the food.
I know, that's the thing. We are foodie buddies.
Absolutely.
Andrew, what is that? I'm skipping a drink.
I think it's some peach mocktail.
It's so pretty.
Nobody will believe I'm having a mocktail.
This is our first starter. What is
This is cured crudo,
Okay, looks yum.
and it does. And cured tuna with grapefruit, Caribbean chili apparently, capers, two other things.
Looks like a burst of flavors. So, let me give it a try. This looks really good. Let me take all the layers. I like sour. So it's really good. Try.
All right. Okay. I must say the presentation's lovely,
It is.
and it looks like that kind of thing that you really want to try. That's excellent,
It is.
and I really like Italian cured meat, but it's much less common to find cured fish.
True.
So this is a really nice change. These are rice croquettes.
Okay.
Apparently,
Looks good.
rice croquettes. It sounded nice. Have a look at this. There you go.
Looks good.
It does look good.
I can see the
Smells
rice.
good. That's nice. Quite a nice mix of flavors. Something a bit different.
This is the
Tagliatelle al. How am I meant to remember? Tagliatelle al ragu,
right.
which is a mushroom ragu dish.
Okay.
So
Looks
yeah.
good. Let me try it. It's a green pasta. You have so many things to try. Delicious. It's
Excellent.
a great ragu sauce. You must try.
Yeah. You see, I'm much better eating with my hands after 8 years in India than I am trying
You're an
to
expert now.
Yeah, it's good. Very nice.
Very nice. Refreshing. And
Good, and again, an unusual flavour, which is what you come out for.
so this is,
Ode to Resdora.
it's a mushroom sauce. And lots of mozzarella. Okay, this is, I think, my favorite till now. This is my favorite till now. Wow. See, I don't, when there's a good vegetarian dish, I don't need my meat or fish. This is beautiful. Wow. Lovely flavor.
I'm going to try a bit. The smell is good.
Yes.
That's very nice.
It is actually. This is the lamb ragu. I'm pretty full myself, but let's see.
I think it has pine nuts.
Yes.
I like pine nuts. They're not that common in food here, are they? So
It's hot.
actually, yeah, that's very nice.
Is it? Lamb ragu. Looks so good. Very nice. Really, really nice. Nice. Nice lamb. The ragu sauce here is very nice. This is the Diavola pizza. You're being too proper with the pizza. Just
sorry.
pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
When I'm in your company, I have no choice.
Yeah. Perfect.
It's a good pizza, good amount of cheese.
So this is the grilled prawns. Right. I'm gonna try this. This is the last thing we've ordered. We ordered a lot.
We did.
Oh. This is really good.
Really good.
Really good.
I'm excited.
It's buttery, smoky. It's beautiful. So Veneto has this festival going on where they have some amazing chefs that have come in, and I will add the details in the description. It's going to be on for the next 2 weeks. Do come and try out these dishes. And what is your lunch today?